in the chat. I've been thinking and like how. Okay, so I'm calculating. Wait, can you? Am I good? What? What are you talking about? In the Discord. Oh, my cat. Okay, all right. Um, hold up. Okay, so like Mr. Chicken was saying, how I'm like calculating the cost on the front end. First, what I'm going to do is I'm already like this is already taking in the ID. Now it just also has the data. So really what I have to do now is like wherever this is being like extracted from the database, find that option.name. That would be ridiculous. Um like um hmm, wait. Const meal option. Meal options dot find options dot name. Like they're also being pulled right here. So Matt, no, like this maybe. This kind of. Let me not say kind of. This is now. Let me console log this to see exactly what is being pulled in here. Fetch meals is this. Okay. So I already have the ID. Now really it's just a matter of replacing this name with the ID. And then from there, at least on the front end side, that's what I'm gonna focus on the front end side. Um hold up. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I don't know why I feel so focused right now, but I do. Well, maybe it was because of this coffee. Um, but yeah. Um, meal list. I can comment this out, but I'm gonna have to. I could ask a guy to do this, but I kind of want to do it myself. Um, I'm gonna replace this in here. So the key is that, but I may. Just replace all this stuff with the ID too. So handle button select instead of it. Well, I guess that wouldn't take too much. It is important not just for this to separate a product from its name and therefore use an ID so that renaming or fixing the name. Yeah. That could cause problems in the future too. So I guess class name. Why would that? I'm gonna redo that. Like wherever the ID is, I'm just gonna do that, but also display the meal name. Which one is this? So also inside of here, selected meals ID. still count. That is kind of alarming. We're gonna do with the name. And what do I do with meal.name in here? What do I do with that in here? Okay. I don't really do anything with like the meal.name, so I think I should be good. But just to test it out, I'm going to refresh. That's why I didn't. That's why I didn't change it right here. I'm just changing it where it's not really like public facing or anything. So like we're all good right here. Oh no! So it's not showing a number. Wait. Total meal selected. Interesting. Interesting. So when I handle select, let me backtrack on this. Let's change one thing at a time, actually. So instead of having that, okay, and also that shows to be good. Oh, let's go to the CSS file. So when I do, this is what a meal box it said. That does look weird. Like, that looked weird to me. So we're in here, meal box. It was name. Yes. Selected meals. Where is that at? Selected meals on first thing. Just let me selected meals. Yeah. Actually, well, it's a object, but yeah, initially it is. Let me comment that out. Oh, let me go in here and see. Is there anything else associated with that? Not just the name. Selected is above 0. Selected. Selected. Where's background at? What? Wait. Why would that not be showing? Oh yeah, it's coffee time too. Yeah. I just finished a coffee, but I also have water right here. So just kind of balancing it out. Yeah. Trying to stay healthy. Yeah. This is really what the heck? What does the MPV thing look like though? I think 2 to 3 is kind of normal on mobile because everybody says that mobile sucks for that reason. So I think 2 to 3 is normal for that. But what does MPV look like? Well, everybody says that mobile sucks, and that's the reason why. But like on desktop, there shouldn't be any delay or buffering. It should be better than mobile. I don't know. Wait a second. Let me look at my player. I don't see any. Oh, wait. Instead of like asking y'all last time what the delay looked like, I can just view it right here. Hold up. I can just like hear it. 3, 2, 1. Banana. Ah. 3 or 2, between 2 and 3. Oh, thanks for the follow, Casey Code. I didn't mean to put you out there like that, but oh, you can't even see your name. But thank you. Um, uh, yeah, this is messed up now. How do I undo it? How do I undo this? Uh oh. Uh, uh, but still, thank you. What? This isn't what I wanted. This is not what I wanted. Okay. And yeah, what is going on with? You know what? I'm gonna put it right here. Is it? I can't bring it back to where it was. I just messed up. I just messed up my entire Twitch. Okay, I'm taking this off. Sorry, I got distracted. But what's good? What's good? What's good? How you doing? Welcome to the channel. I'm kind of getting better and more confident with programming. I freelance stuff, so like somehow I suck but still make money, which should tell you like how easy it is for like web development and stuff. But that also has to do with like networking and like having a network and stuff. But as far as like the skill side, not that great. But my consistency is helping me build my skills up and everything. So it's coming together. Plus, I just implemented my first webhook with Stripe and the API with Stripe while actually making sense of it. So I'm kind of proud of myself. Where are these people coming from? Hello, thank you. Um, Gruner. Welcome to the stream, Germany. See, I don't have any American, well, I do. Let me not be disrespectful, but a majority of my audience is like overseas. But greetings from America and hello to Germany. Did you watch Eurovision? It was my first time watching Eurovision. Yesterday, I think. Yeah. I didn't even know if that was a thing, but Eurovision is pretty cool. Speaking of that, how much do you Hat page? Hat page. What is hat page? Hat page. What? Is that directed to me? Oh, well, yeah. Mr. Chicken is right. um, Wait. Yeah, obviously desktop shouldn't suck, but for some reason it's just that like 80 seconds. Oh my god. 80? Well, I don't really charge per page. I didn't think that was like a thing. Charging per page. See, I'm so new that I don't really know like the standard pricing model for stuff like that. I don't. I can't answer that because it's not per page. It's really just per website. Um, Honestly, the price varies literally per website, like by a factor of like add a zero or take a zero away. It varies that much. Truly. This monthly. Um like sub 1000. Sub 1000. Yeah, and for like a website like this, like it's really simple, but for me monthly. So yeah. And sub 1000 like I said. So, yeah. And truly this website is so simple, but like like yes than 1000 per month, yes. But um this website is so simple that like I'm using this to build my skills back up because as you know, I took so long from like streaming and coding. Technically it could be. Technically I based on the information that I gave, I could be paying this person. That's less than 1000. No, he's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. But yeah. Now, what I'm trying to figure out is why would the name not have this as selected? Uh, true. True. Not wrong. Why would this not be selected? Like, oh wait. Oh. There are so many selecteds here. Oh no. Oh, this is disgusting. Where in the JavaScript does it say this? Selected. It has to be. Am I adding a class somewhere? What? Okay. Wait a second. Let me take that away. What I just changed. Then, what does that look like in the code? Mailbox selected. Uh huh. So if this is +1, okay, then let me revert this. Why would that be taking it away? What the heck? Contain. Huh. ID is above 0. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm doing what with this? Like on what's the on click? Button on click. Maybe that's associated with it. Maybe. And this is messing that up. Okay, so just keep on going down the list. Oh wait, let me go back up here. Just handle select button. Handle select. Equals 0. if actually, uh, meal. Let's see what it says. So yes. What? Okay. What is this dash? Okay. Sorry, this is a little bit boring, but this is what my attempt at refactoring looks like. Um, I'm kind of scared that I won't get all that much done today, but we'll see. We'll see. Um, all right. You know, let me make this very clear. This might be the problem with getting things started or in general coding with AI because a majority of this, all of not well, a majority of this was made with AI, and now I have to go back through the AI and look through things that I don't know were here. So this is just a stream of like getting familiar with my own code base that I thought that I knew but didn't know, but now I'm learning it again. Well, for the first time. So beware of coding with AI. Make sure that you're like like even though this isn't like a huge code base or anything, this is just one page, but like this is the problem with coding with AI is that like if you keep on using AI over and over and over again and you let it get too far, then you're not gonna know what what's going on. So it's good to just like I'm learning in real time. It's good to just like use AI but use it sparingly if you're doing like operational stuff with it and not just like um design stuff with it. So um let me uh, 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 I don't know where that dash is coming from. Oh, get out of here. Oh, I don't need that at all. Really? Oh, it's right here. I don't need that. I don't need this at all. I really don't. I can comment this out. Well, comment that out. Oh, for now. For now, let me not open too many Chrome tabs this stream before my whole computer breaks. I thought M1 Max would be faster than that. Maybe it's not even the Mac. Maybe it is something Twitch side, but now I'm kind of thinking that it's like a Chrome RAM usage thing. I don't know. Let me refresh this, see what this is looking like. Okay, so now that I do that, I need to make sure the name is what it is. The name usage. Yeah. Yeah. Event. And as per up there. Yeah. Line 37, line 37, line 37. 373. That's where it should, cause oh, 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 ID? Should that be ID? Oh, wait, that's not it. It's something that's being displayed right there. Meal count. Selected meals. Selected meals. So once I'm in here, updated meals. Hold up. Updated meals. Meal.name inline. Your selected meals should also deal only with IDs. Yeah. So with that being said, so any place you have selected meal.name should be ID. That fixed it. Oh, oh, ID. ID. The thing is, I went through all of it and just like blasted ID everywhere, but I'm kind of scared of doing that. I don't have name anywhere now, do I? Only where I need it. Yeah, only where I need it. Find. Then where else is meal name used? Yeah. I guess I replaced this with ID too. Hold up. Huh. Huh. Let's look at this. So it's working properly again. Interesting. I'll change both of these. Are you a meal like capitalized ID person or ID? Oh yeah, you're a capital no capital D person. I'm sorry to say, I'm a I'm a capitalized ID person. All right, so that should be good right there. Test. Sorry, I wasn't looking. Do it again. This cat is not coming in here. If he wants to get in here, he'll, you know. The delay is that bad? Yeah, I do. If I want to like accurately respond to the test, yes, I do. I'm waiting again. I'm waiting patiently, looking at the chat. I'm just waiting. Hold up. I'll wait. I don't care. let's, let's look at this. Waiting, waiting. There's nothing to wait for. Okay, you're not gonna type test again. Okay, cool. That is the delay. We can time it ourselves by typing something and waiting until it up. Oh, well, y'all are the geniuses. My bad. Hold up. Okay. Well, there may also be a delay with the service that I'm using to display. Um, Actually, no, because I'm using like the straight URL from the chat in my OBS overlay. So I don't know. I should be good. This is still in test mode. So let me try this out. If everything is good. Processing. Let's go. Okay, in here, I should be able to. Uh, Wait a minute. I should be able to change what I'm giving it. So in the body of this, selected meals. Where are selected meals? Meal name. So replace this with ID. Wait. Oops. Huh? When I press one, everyone else type one as quickly as possible. Let's try. What? Wait. Huh? This is me or chat too? What do I put in here? Like, selected meals. What? Is this what I want to do? Okay, this is actually what I want to do. Just look for that. But in here is where I display the name of it all. In the sorry, I'm thinking about it. In the cloud functions where I display the name of it all. Line push, prop descriptions. So this is where I received data. Let's go to my what's that body console log? Received data. Let's try it again. I'm taking these out. I'm taking these console logs out because it's just confusing me. Taking this out, and I'm also taking that out. Are we good now? Okay, cool. So I did it, but it's clearing the chat. Be consistent. How so? Where am I? So it's giving. Meal. Looks like it should be meal ID. I think that's the whole meal. If the like updated meals is undefined, then meal is 0. That's just the whole meal quantity and the ID and the name. back. Yeah, that's the whole meal. And the quantity. Oh, sorry, you can't see that. Oops. I don't know how I can blow it up though. Oops. Uh, this can't be made bigger. I'm so sorry. Wait. Zoom maybe? Console log. I just did that. That's it. Wait. Console log. This is it. Oops. You mean this? This isn't. If that's not a thing. It's just like a. I don't know what the technical name for it is, but like think of it like in an array of like. How can I say that? How can I say it? How can I say it? I'm so. But I'm getting what I want. Yeah, I don't understand the problem. I can't console log this because actually, wait, hold up, I got you. Oh, meal. Let's do that. Yes, is that? Oops, let's do that somewhere else. Um, 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 let's do that. Wait, sorry. Where's this at? On line 205. Oh, sorry. But just inside an if. Okay, so in here, let's console log the quantity. You're inside a condition. Okay, so I'm confused on what you're looking to do. I think he's trying to make this consistent, like, but consistent in terms of what? Because if I get to the Stripe checkout window, I'm getting what I want, but the display of what is being shown just needs to be pulled from the Firebase database, the name of it, because I'm getting the ID for the document. I just need to extract the name of it, of the meal. All I was saying is, you need a variable earlier ID, meal ID. This meal should also be meal ID, but it's not meal ID. This is the quantity. Hold up. This is the quantity. So name it quantity, meal quantity. No, it's not. This is a 3. Wait, what do I need to log? No, I know I'm not logging meal. So what are you telling me to? Okay, let's, so just name it. Where's this being pulled from? Oh, oh, okay. This is in here too. So this is also in, that is also in here. So what I should do is, okay, I'm already doing that. That meal ID is getting taken here. Why does that look like that? Why am I able to get away with that? Because of this? I'm passing in the meal ID and then making the argument meal. So just do that. Do that. I guess that's a technical name for it. ID. Change that to ID. So wherever meal is in here, do meal ID, meal ID, meal ID, meal ID. I wonder if they have a shortcut to just do this in just a function, the scope of one function. Just to make sure I'm not breaking anything. Let's go back here. Cool. We should be good. Now let me get back to and I'm still getting what I want. Am I getting what I, that's not what I want. No, that is most definitely not what I want. I'm just getting the, right here, this is a different total than what I'm getting here. Where's the disconnect happening? Where, once handle submit. Handle submit. Selected meals. Where this name thing is. No, please. ID. So wherever. Meal name. Hold up. Let me think about this. So, in selected meals, this is the meal ID. So I need to options find dot name, find dot ID, make that meal ID. Where else is name? You being used. Let's see if it actually does it correctly now. Okay, it does it correctly now. Okay. Also, let me check if I do like multiple meals on one thing or something else like that. So far, so good. Cool. And also split meals. What does that look like? And still good. Okay. You know what's crazy? I'm realizing if I would have used AI, this probably would have taken longer, a lot longer, because AI would have gotten confused. And it's crazy how somehow me as a human would have probably outpaced an AI when everyone is touting using AI, AI, AI. That's weird though, because AI does a lot of like mundane tasks really easily, but this probably would have confused it. Probably because my prompting isn't what it should be. So I can take this console log out. I don't need it. I'm giving Stripe what I need to give it. There's one thing I would have personally changed, but I won't say it as it'll delay all progress. What? No, say it. Okay. Say it, but I won't implement it yet. But I want to like hear what could be improved. Because now after this, I'm gonna go into the Stripe checkout function, cloud function, and this extract the name from the extract the name from the document. So for this document, I would go in here, and what is this? FB, and then this would be displayed in the place of this. Y'all, you gotta say it now. This has been such a productive stream, like a positive stream. We have to have some type of delay. No, I'm playing. But I want to hear it for real. This is crazy. I'm so glad that like I'm streaming and documenting this, because I remember a time where this would not have made sense. Everything I'm doing right now would not have made sense back when I lived at my house. Mr. Chicken remembers when I used to live at my house. He's been around for that long. Yeah. I would do each meal as a line item. Wait, explain that. Do you mean a line? Wait, a line item. Wait, I want to understand what you're saying. I won't change anything yet, or right now, but I want to understand it. I don't know how. Oh, probably because I don't do a good job at like marketing or anything. I just turn on the camera and just go live and stream until I get tired. I went too far. Let me take this out too. Line item. So I'm passing this through the body. This is in JSON. You mean a line item in here? Are they a mess? Oh, okay. I think I asked Mr. Chicken this too, but like, it probably won't happen. It's not gonna happen, because you should know by now. Like, I take like big pauses in streaming, so it's probably not gonna happen. But in the off chance that I do become like a huge streamer, you're not gonna watch anymore. Like, come on. I thought we were building like camaraderie and like, come on. What is a big stream to you? So that like I can purposefully like stay under that number. Oh, you mean like if you watch them from when they were a smaller streamer and then they get to a bigger streamer, you would still watch them, but like if they started out as a big streamer, you wouldn't watch them? What's a big streamer then? And I don't consider myself a streamer. I'm just a regular dude. A far below average developer. But what you're saying in here, do you think that like if my stream got bigger, I would gain an ego? Oh no. I can't even name one because I have an extension that filters them out. Wow. Does it look for the view count? I feel like that's such like a subjective term though. Like
something getting to someone's head, I'm not gonna like just start banning people if they like disagree with what I'm doing, or like if I change the color from red to blue, and then like anybody else that's like, man, you should change it back to red. Ban. No, I'm not gonna do that. uh but I feel like the term like getting to someone's head really is subjective. So I'm scared. Oh man. I should change this though. This shouldn't be red. This should be white. But for the line item thing, what do you mean by that? For the product data, for what's being passed right? Product data, line items. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Line items, add meal plan as an item. What? Am I doing this wrong? I'm pushing it as a quantity of one, when in reality, I could do it in a way that's like, that. Is that possible? No, I'm not gonna do it, but is that what you're talking about? Because if that's possible, when I get to this thing, this checkout menu, and I have multiple orders, I won't have to separate it by um this anymore. I won't have to use this anymore. It would be its own individual item. And I don't think that was wait, if I'm making sense, if I'm like on the right track, is that slowing progress? That's actually really? I think I am on the right track and I can do this pretty easily. I think. But question, this right here, is this what you're talking about? Doing this and adding each whatever as a, you know. Ugh. Wait, yeah, that could get messy because yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I'm not doing that right now. It would probably be good to like do it in the future, but right now, I'm not doing that. So, um, I think I would do it in the future because eventually I'm not gonna be just working on this website. If some other website in the future is using Stripe and they have their own quantities for stuff, I could just extract the quantity that's on the front end and replace that right here and do it like that. That makes sense. That makes sense. And the quantity wouldn't be 6 or 12 or 6, 12 or 3 or something. I could just divide that by 2 or by no, that's not gonna work. For this one, it's just probably just better to, yeah, no, anyways, so if there's a comment offers like maybe, probably, maybe I could be the first one. I don't know because I've done a lot of catering websites, so I don't know. Also, if I deploy this again, I need to not make this a local host. Quaz. Did we just make our own tech acronym that everyone just overuses because they want to sound smart? How am I gonna do this? In this metadata? No, I'm not. No, that's way too far down the line. Class. Um. Possibly. Possibly. But then, like, truly, I would be competing with like Squarespace and like Shopify and all these big tech companies. I'm just a boy. I, I can't. I don't have that on my plate right now. No pun intended. So I will be competing with. Well, technically, I kind of already do. Yeah, you're right. But also, like, so this is a pun stream now. I forgot what I was gonna say, so I'm just gonna focus. But what I need to do right here would be the data in here. I'm not getting any data from this. Function. Where are you? I'm not getting the console log that I want. And it sucks. Okay. So in this data, I would be, instead of doing that, I would do log. Not console log, but log. Alright. Where is this again? Is that gonna be a thing in the stream now? Should I make that that an emote? At gmail.com. This happened again? Did it happen again? I'm not getting it. Okay. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna do log and console log. CFG. Just do that. And let's log it, or let's update it. Yeah. The problem. Yeah. But the problem with that is that like a lot of small businesses are kind of competing with other larger chain businesses. And I'm bad at, like, me personally, I'm bad at like being, wait, how I was about to say that was the opposite of what I meant. Let me back up and restart. I'm empathetic in the sense that I know what they deal with. So like to try and charge. Have you ever seen that video of like the farmer on Shark Tank? And he was like a farmer, and he was, or the shark people were like, why are you not charging more? And the farmer was like trying to make sense of what they were saying. But like, hold up. Oh man. Like I think the same way. It's like I understand these people, so why should I upcharge them? And like I know that I can like make a larger margin, but why? Like I'm not doing it for free, but why would I try to upcharge somebody when I know that it shouldn't, like it has no business being that expensive? Like, wait, hold up. It's not. I'm gonna watch the short of it. Hold up. Let me pause this music.
Why only $5? Why not charge $12, 10 or 12 or 15 or 20?
Because I'm working with farmers. I'm making it for $2.95. I sell them for $4.50.
I need to be able to sell it for $12 at least so that I can make some profit and you can make some
Yeah,
profit.
but you're selling to farmers.
I'm out.
Johnny,
Yes, sir.
farmers are the cornerstone of America. There may be a lot of farmers out there that can't afford $12 per tree, but maybe they could afford $6 or $7. I'm going to give you everything you're asking for, your $150,000 for 20%. What you're doing is right, and you deserve the chance to make it big and do a lot of good. I'd like to be your partner, Johnny. I like everything you stand for, man, and
Thank
I
you,
like
partner.
everything.
I think that's a yes, JP.
Yes, sir.
Why only $5?
Like people okay, minus all like the like positive whatever from it. I'm saying that like his mindset, I think the same way because like there's no okay, wait. Question. Hold up. Because this is an American show, so I gotta defend it. So, yes, shows are fake. All shows are fake. But the fakeness of this show is not the fakeness of Shark Tank is more apparent than Eurovision. Come on now. Come on now. Let's let's be honest. Hold on, let me catch up. Whatever you're bad at, always remember that you are the ID with the capital. All right. See? Okay, see? You don't see that as fake. But I can see it as like being the same way I was saying FIFA. Same thing. It's just I enjoy it. It was entertaining, but yeah. You might not realize it, but it ends up being cheaper than most solutions. Hmm. Also the thing about it is I don't know how I would convey the value proposition to them. Yeah, I think that is why I view Eurovision as fake as well as everything else is because there's so much propaganda in America that I become like cynical to all things that are media, and I don't view media as genuine. Like it's impossible to view any media as genuine. Like if I'm watching a Twitch stream, like I all like in some form or fashion, whether it be ads or the streamer themselves, they're always playing a role. They're not like they're not being genuine. 100% genuine. What if the stream is like AI? You know what? This is how I can dispel this stream being scripted. Is how bad I am at making all this stuff. If I was better than this, I wouldn't like waste so much time doing this. This can't be scripted. Oh man. Basically, I'm hustling y'all. I'm actually I actually program Linux. Oh man. With Linus himself. Actually, Linus is the actor. I made Linux myself. Oh man. Oh man. I'll be right back. Let me go to the restroom and wipe all this makeup off. Hold up. No, I'm playing. But um all right. Wait. I was making sure I was still live. Whoops. Okay. Okay. So let me try to focus up again. All right. All right, man. What? Oh, that's another thing. Let me just say this one thing before I dive back into this. I have a YouTube Premium subscription, but the more and more that I watch YouTube or any video, I'm looking for like the imperfections. And you know how like you can tell like a video game is fake? How like in your brain, like the human just like nature of it is like, it's like you can try to watch a movement of a character, but like your human brain can just tell that this is a video game. I watch YouTube in a way now that, wait, laugh and cover, wait, what? All right. Anyways, I watch YouTube in a way that like now that VO2 and what's the Sora, all that stuff is like a thing now. So if someone is talking on a microphone, I don't know if it's a real person or not. And I'm also like, I'll be honest, I grew up playing video games, and I don't know if y'all have heard of a game called Deus Ex. This is not a Deus Ex, or this is not an ad. All right. All right, hold up. This one right here. I grew up playing this game, and there's a character in there called wait. Wait, where's the character at? No. This one. And basically, this is a news reporter, but it's an AI news reporter. And though like the whole world does not know that this is an AI thing, but like it's so like human and genuine that they've never seen it in person. But really, it's an like, imagine how like Google has their own LLM. This is like an LLM that like reports the news basically. So yeah, I look at YouTube and all forms of media as that now. I'm looking for it to just like be AI. All right. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna just finish updating. Sorry, I had to rant about that real quick because I'm really paranoid as far as like videos go now. Let's try it. Those were not ads. All right. I mean, technically, shouldn't this also be an ad for the website? Technically, like, you see where my American brain goes? Everything is an ad. Like whenever like Next.js was coming out, I didn't know that Vercel was a thing, but it was like, okay, this is an ad for something. Like, this is getting way too much like recognition or like mention. Of course. So like, but for an American, this could represent an ad. Well, I mean, you're kind of missing out. I'll be honest with you. Sorry for the flashbang.
All right. Where's the? They just told me that there's a help. Where's it at? Preferences. No. All right. They just told me that there's a dark mode. Hello. Anyways. So there's this. So from the data, I should look for it should be what I'm gonna do is okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna use AI, but I just don't feel like doing that right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is the name. What? Selected meal plan. That's not it. See, AI sucks. Selected what? Selected meals. No, this sucks. What is this? Oh, not that. They have it on the console now. Let me refresh this. Is it gonna pop up? And also, why could? Because I had it as DR. Oh gosh. This won't go away. Oh, it went away. No. Oh. In here. Selected meals. Would that be a key or a value? Data. Dot. No. Object. Dot key. Dot find. Key. How would I do that? Why am I blanking now on something that should be like regular to me? I want to use. Am I pulling the same way that this is using the database? So import collections. Would I do the same thing here? Import. Is that a thing? Collection and get docs. Aw, man. Okay, how am I gonna? Oh, the one time that I get like a consistent stream, like a productive stream. No. Issues tracker. This is in 2019. My goodness. This dark mode thing. All right, fine. I'm sorry, Casey. I'm really sorry. Well, Mr. Chicken said that YouTube was better. I stream on YouTube. Also, it may be a resolution thing. They also use MPV. I don't know if you're on mobile or not. I haven't used MPV. I kind of don't know what it is. But there's also the pop out player.
if you're on desktop, which is basically MPV, I don't know how to fix it in my OBS, and we basically like spent 30 minutes trying to figure it out, which it kind of made it better, but well, I don't want to force you off of Twitch. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I suck. Uh, um, I think Twitch. Oh, wait. I think I know why. I think Twitch knows that I'm the only person on this platform that's not AI generated. So they're trying to like suppress me because I'll be like too sovereign and be like, hey, this is AI, this is AI, this is AI. So like they're trying to suppress me and deter people from watching my stream. Like to not, blow up their whole operation. Not blowing anything up. No, Twitch, please, no. But yeah. What if they know that I'm the only person on Twitch that is not AI generated, which leans into the dead theory, the dead internet theory. Something to think about. Something to think about. Just saying. Don't sleep. Anyways, so I guess I hope this works. Oh, wait. Would that be from here? From what? Is it .firebase? Or is it Firebase? .firebase doesn't have anything in there, does it? No. It would be .firebase. No. Would that be src Firebase and then Firebase.jsx? Because we can exchange true oh man, hold up. No, I'm gonna import. No, I'm gonna import DB from there, right? Oh, I don't have to do that. Actually, it's that. Okay. Okay. So now I can just pull. Oh, let me go to the docs. I chose the wrong. Can I just get the docs, please? Oh. Okay. Read data, get data. Get multiple documents. Here. For each doc. Get all documents. No. I thought it had something in here to where get multiple. Oh, here it is. I'm taking all this. Well, Mr. Chicken, you would probably hate living in Texas because that is very prevalent here. And I apologize in advance. down here. We're historically there. All right. Oh no, I did the wrong one. So in here, I'll do const Q, but in the const Q collection preset meal preps where name is equal to, could I have an array right here? And this would be, no, I wouldn't have that. I would just have that. No, keys or, yes, keys. I don't know if this is gonna work. You know what's really bad? That I didn't know, like, as I get older and older, it's like really bad. It's actually Latin America. Like, it's really bad in Latin America, the whole skin color thing, which is kind of sad. But yeah. This. Yeah. So in here I'm gonna, oh no, for each one of these let's try it. I don't know if this is gonna work, but let's try it. I'm gonna get off in about 20 minutes. This has been good progress, but I'm gonna get off in about 20 minutes. Because by that time, I think I should be close to done, or at least. What? Import. Why? Wait, what? Why? How would I do it then? Or I'm doing it here. Is that possible? Please be possible. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna let me. Import what? Wait, require. Wait a second. I don't know what that looks like in here. How would I be able to access my What? All right. I'm focusing on the mission. Hold on. Oh God. Okay. Um. uh, so it would. Did I mess up? Did I mess up here? I'm gonna leave that like that. Okay. There we go. Mm, I'm not doing that, but I am doing Firebase imports. I think this is all that I need for this. Add a function to save order. Oh, that's cool. What? What? My AI isn't programmed to engage in such conversations. My bad. Beep boop. Um, update webhook handler. I don't think I need to be doing that. It doesn't look right. Fix the existing. I'll fix what I want. With this code, get that have a quantity. Huh? I don't want the meal IDs. Update. What are all these? Sorry. Okay, add a function to save. I don't want to do that. I may want to do that. I may want to do that. In the future, though. Yeah, I want to do that. I'll just add it. I'll do that after this. Order data? What? Order data. Update to save the rest of the function. Order ID. Const order. Existing Stripe checkout code. What? Okay.
I don't know if I want to do this one. If existing code. I don't want to do that.
Fish? What is fish?
Const order ID. Where is order ID used? I'll put that in there. Order ID. I shouldn't put that in this try. I should put it in the try because the try has the data. Or let's take it out of the try and just replace it with request.data. Body. Yeah. D. Why is it not being used in there? What? Oh. Oh. Huh? That makes sense. What did I name that? Yikes. Okay. Okay. Is that what? It's either all right, hold up. Has anyone I've considered NeoVim, but I'm not a good programmer yet, so NeoVim scares me. Yeah. Do you use Vim or NeoVim? Is this a Vim ad? I'm saying, why would I? Why would I try to learn something like it's as big as an IDE? Try to overhaul my entire like learning when I barely even know VS Code as it is. So I might as well just leave it alone and just use VS Code until I get to like a state to where I don't like VS Code or VS Code has limitations for me. Which I haven't run into any limitations that I know of so far. They have Git, they're integrated with GitHub, so that's all I really need to do. So when it says update this, I don't want to replace this code with this code. I don't want that. Entries, selected meal IDs, data dot selected meals.
Okay. Huh? Okay. What is going on? Okay. I have been like trying to focus, but now something alerted me. Wait, what? What are y'all talking about? I thought we were talking about Vim. Nice things. What? Is the better Vim for casual editing? Yeah, this is like too high level for me. I wish I knew what Nano was. I know what Notepad plus plus is. If that helps. I'm joking. um, what? Oh no, wait. I'm getting the meal names from the fire store. Replace this section with the enhanced code. This code is too long to be doing that. What are you talking about? Man, okay, I'm not. What? AI sucks. Are y'all just bypassing the... All right. Make details. No, I don't want to do all that. Okay. That's what I'm going to do. Meal names. Meal name. I don't want the meal IDs. What's in here is... No. That's probably what's tripping it up. So in here... meal name. That doesn't make sense. Oh, wait. No. Why is this such a difficult task for me? Okay. So in here... I spent the weekend getting advice from it on Docker, and now I'm taking a break with a little... Yeah. Because, like, when it doesn't understand what you're trying to ask it, it's even more frustrating than trying to program it yourself. What the heck? Okay. Wait, do we... Is this like an invitation to have the competition in Discord? Because I'm down.
I'm down to watch. My money is on Ever. We're named. Oh, I'm not participating. I'm just an onlooker. I'm just a gambler in this. See how y'all went to, or ever went to Monaco? Yeah. Discord is my Monaco for this one. I'm just spectating. Oh. Okay. So for the query snapshot for each of the No. I really just want to do get docs, console log, dot name, right? Dot name. Yeah. Okay, let's try it. Please don't send an error this time. Why? Has already been declared. 19. All right, cool. All right, these have already been declared. I don't want to do that either. So once I'm in there, npm run build. Thank you. And it does not exist. What? The default Firebase app does not exist. Make sure you call before using any Firebase services. This doesn't make sense. Yeah. Okay, this is where I think that would be holding that up. So I think this is where I stop. Yeah. Yeah, but no. Okay. All right. Sorry, I haven't been interacting with the chat for like the last 30 minutes. But I think I'm going to get off and let my brain rest for a little bit. I may hop on just in the middle of the night, but Uh, yeah. For right now, my brain is starting to hurt. Trying to figure this out. So I don't know why it's so difficult to use Firestore within a cloud function, but I don't know. I don't know. So peace. See you next time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I tried looking at the docs. Oh, whoops.